At times the world can seem an unfriendly and sinister place. But believe us when we say that there is much more good in it than bad. And what might seem to be a series of unfortunate events may, in fact, be the first steps of a journey. Our journey begins here, at the home of our new guardian.
Hello. I am your beloved Count Olaf.
3 orphans.
My dear Violet.
An unscrupulous guardian.
All I ask is that you do each and every little thing that pops into my head, while I enjoy the enormous fortune your parents left behind.
We're very concerned.
Now on DVD, based on the series of best-selling books, you're invited to discover
This way, to the reptile room.
a world built by imagination, ruled by invention, and strung together by a series of unfortunate events. Paramount Pictures and DreamWorks Pictures present Jim Carrey, Jim Carrey, Jim Carrey.
Then the unthinkable happened.
Lemon Snicket's a series of unfortunate events.
Now that we're family, I can be the ultimate dad.
SpongeBob second season. It's got special features. Yeah, it's got special features. SpongeBob second season. That's SpongeBob second season. So catch the dance fever and look for the complete second season of SpongeBob SquarePants DVD box set. And don't forget that season 1 is also available right now.